Human metapneumovirus State Monitoring Committee, comprising 10 members and chaired by Special Secretary Health and Family Welfare, was constituted yesterday with the consent of Governor. The measure was taken up in view of the prevailing situation in the country where 8 persons have contracted the virus. Speaking exclusively to SKTV, Jennings Medical Superintendent Dr. H. Lokesho informed that the step for constituting the committee was to closely keep an eye on the developments regarding Hmpv in the state. He also advised the general public not to panic and a word of caution for those with chronic conditions and with low immune. He also said that the virus is more concerning for infants, aged people, and people who have undergone kidney transplantation. Dr. Lokesho went on to advise the parents to closely monitor their children as it is more susceptible to school-going children since it spreads through coughing, sneezing, and direct contact with someone who contracted the virus and contaminated things such as shaking hands and hugging. The medical superintendent then appealed to the general public to wear masks in public places and avoid sending school children who have symptoms of Hmpv contraction.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯍꯧꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯀꯥꯍꯟꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯍꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯏꯪꯕ ꯊꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯐꯦꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯖꯩ
Human metapneumovirus हाइबने Hmpv मसी कोरोना वायरस तुमाने पाखतनियाय ओइदे human metapneumovirus ली असुक पुइबसी याम का हेना म्यूटेशन तौबा याउद्री अदुना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने दिंगरांग नहान यूनियन मेडिकल मिनिस्टर मसाबांगना गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल खुदिमक अमसुंग डॉक्टर खुदिमक टिप्पीग्रे that human metapneumovirus की outbreak अमा लागादी मदुगी दमक सेक्शन नबा हाइदे मसीगी फ्लू सिदी चुमनेगी लोक थुंगागा अदुम हगिनी तौदबु याम अंगांग ओइरबा अमसुंग immunocompromised हाइब तारे को मसाना immune system सोनबसिंग याम अहन ओइबसिंग मखोइदरी याम सेक्शन ममथोइ anybody होजी अखोइना सेक्शन गदबसि फ्लू नारदी मयामगा समनबिदबा यारेगेदि मास उपिरो लाइना सिसु कंट्रोल तहोद्रगदी याम काहेना संदोरप याबगी चांस खितंग लै तौदबु कोरोना दोमाइना दिकिनियागी कंत मरम लैते